Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video I'm going to show you different alternative you can try out when your alcohol or edible spirit is not available. If you're new to my channel, today is your first time of watching my video, click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting alert of my new video. Seriously, subscription is free just for you to be getting alert of my new video. If I drop any new video, you will get an alert. In today's video, we're going to use vegetable oil, we are going to use glycerin, white vinegar, white vanilla and lemon for this. oil is really shining brighter. I think oil is number one. The second one is vinegar, before vanilla, flavor, lemon, and glycerin. So feel free to try out these alternatives and enjoy. If today is your first time of watching my video, click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting alert of my new video, so that any day I drop any new video, you will get an alert. Subscription is free, just to be getting alert of my new video. Don't forget to like my video. Feel free to share to your friend. Feel free to invite a friend to this channel. I have up to 200 and something cake videos, decorations, and pastries you will love to see. So feel free to check out my channel and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like my video. Bye.